Fellas, have you ever wondered why she seems distant even after you've said I love you 100 times? You might be saying all the right words, but here's the truth. Women may fall in love with your words, but they stay in love because of your actions. Let's break down how to keep her heart and build a love that lasts. Words can pull her in, but actions, that's what keeps her around. A woman needs to feel secure in the fact that what you say matches how you act. You can call her sweetheart or love, but if she feels like you say that to any random woman, it loses all meaning. Don't cheapen your words. Back them up with consistency. Let me tell you something. Every woman knows when you're just going through the motions. So, if your words don't match your actions, she'll notice. Trust me. Saying I love you is easy, but do you know what those words really mean? To her, those words carry the weight of trust, loyalty, and vulnerability. Before you say them, ask yourself if you're ready for the responsibility they bring. It's not just about making her fall for you. It's about showing her why she should stay in love with you. If you rush into those 3 little words without knowing their meaning, you might be setting yourself up to lose her. Women love to be slowly unveiled. Rushing her or pushing for more too soon can backfire. She needs time to feel comfortable, safe, and confident in opening up. Yes, she believes in love, but convincing her to love you is your job. It's about letting her heart come out of hiding, on her own terms. You want to know the fastest way to push her away? Rush her, and you'll see how quickly she shuts down. Here's one thing every woman values: honesty. No matter how painful or difficult the truth is, she'll respect you more for being upfront with her. Lies, even little ones, can erode trust over time. If you're serious about awakening love in her, make sure you're equally serious about being honest, even when it hurts. Think about it. Would you rather hurt her with the truth now, or lose her forever because of a lie? Women love attention. The moment she feels like you're not paying attention to her, she'll think something's wrong. Expensive gifts are great, but nothing beats quality time. She reads your time as love, so if you're constantly absent or distracted, no amount of gifts will make up for it. Time is her love language. She doesn't want just expensive jewelry or flowers. She wants you, your time, your attention. Don't make her feel like you're slipping away. There's a difference between loving her and making her feel in love with you. Loving her might be a personal choice, but whether she stays in love depends on how well you treat her. Being in love isn't just about feelings, it's about excitement, care, and how you make her feel valued every single day. Loving her is easy, but keeping her in love with you? That's where the real work begins. At the end of the day, fellas, love is about more than words. Women fall in love with what you say, but they stay in love because of what you do. It's your job to make her feel valued, understood, and secure. Don't rush the process. Let her unveil herself. Be honest, give her your time, and never take her love for granted. Actions speak louder than words, and in the end, that's what will keep her heart close to yours. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and join the journey and get notified of upcoming meet and greet. Let's dive deeper into how to build relationships that last, one step at a time.